51 lang lahat natin.
Ano po, minute wait po dyan?
Amazing daw kami din.
Oh. Wait, boy. Oh, dito tayo sa Jones Bridge.
Ikaw din nag-i-explore?
Pwede. Lugar na yun. Parang natin.
Emilio Aguinaldo. And recently may lumabas na article, ano po, na sinasabi dito sa article nito na si Trinidad Pami daw po talaga, o yung nanay ni Emilio Aguinaldo ang nagpapatay po kay Antonio Luke. Okay na ba yan? See to our next house. Gonna go now.
Ligat mo anak ko. Halika na. Ako. Hawak daw kayo. Hawak lang. Magkalong. So, ayun guys. Explore na lang natin yung area. Ang daming tutubi anyway. Wow! Daming star. What color? This one, what about this one? What color? Baby, tingin kay mami. Sam. Smile. Look, mom, it's dark. Smile ka.
A rental house here with 3 bedrooms and occupied by 6 persons, and the price of the house range more or less 20 to 30,000 pesos per night. So once again, that's our Casa Tondo from Tondo, Manila. Okay? And the house that you can see on your right side over there, so that's our Casa May Kawayan from May Kawayan, Bulacan. So that house was built in the year 1913, owned by Teodoro Escoto. And right now, that's also a rental house here with 5 bedrooms. So 2 bedrooms on the first floor.
Wow, dami bulb ka na balbon, no?
Ano saan? Yung may taho. How much is taho? How much?
Yes po. For rent po yung mga vintage golf cart po natin na yan. So kung gusto niyo po mag-ikot dito sa resort using the golf cart, so you can rent out for 3,500 if I'm not mistaken. 1 hour lang po yun. Okay, so by the way, our next house again will be this greenhouse that you can see in the front of you right now. So that's how Naskia, they had a driver before, were just pretending because this driver was actually the spy and the colonel of the Japanese soldiers. That's why when the World War II started, this beautiful house became their garrison or their headquarters. And before, the Japanese soldiers had a
Tapos pag pinapagtawid ng dagat, maano yung ano noon, yung maniliit na ano. Yun yung mga bunga niya. Bagitat na. Madam, may candy ka dyan?
Ito yung ilalim ng hagdanan. Yan. Ito yung detalye, oh. Yung mga ukit. Tapos, pati na rin sa may